We're in our shop here. It's a nice December day. We've got this, what we call our disc ripper in here. We go through all of our equipment so it's prepared for the following year to go out and do either tillage or planting, or when the combine season's around, we work on the combine beforehand. We like to get that done in the off season. With this machine, we've replaced the disc blades. That's part of the machine that will cut up the stalks, mix the stalks in with some of the soil. Things are in short supply this year, but we are able to find those and replace these disc blades. Once we get done with this part of the machine, it also has what we call the shanks for the ripper part of it. We're able to either put on new points that help the machine go in the ground, and it also breaks up compaction, what we don't get from the freeze and thaw. So a lot of work is being done on this machine, and it will be ready to go next year, and it will do a lot better job if we have new blades on it. It does a lot better job penetrating new points on the back, go into the ground better, and break up some moisture or the compaction that we have there. We also walk through all points where we have welds and things, because this is a machine that takes a lot of stress going through the field. We do a good share of ours. We feel like it's cost effective for us to do it rather than hiring somebody else to do it. But there's certain things that we might not be able to do, and we'll also take that to the implement dealer. But this machine here and a lot of the stuff we'll do here in our own shop.